Okay, so tell me what is the difference between controlled and uncontrolled component?
So it is a basic difference of control component. In control component, it is handled by the component, but uncontrolled component is handled by the virtual DOMs.
So just write the code for uncontrolled component. So
Okay,
what you
sir.
can do is just create one uh, input tag. Okay, handle
Okay,
the
sir.
user input value
Yes, sir.
and print the user input value in the HTML form, right?
Okay, sir.
So it should be you have to handle the value by using the uncontrolled component. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can create a just use online code editor, online React code editor, because it will take time to load the localhost, right? So you have to use uncontrolled component, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, sir, uncontrolled component handled by the virtual DOM. So we can use the previous step.
What? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, virtual DOM or only
Actually, sir, was,
sorry,
yes, sir. Uncontrolled component is handled by the virtual DOM.
virtual DOM or only DOM can
DOMs
handle?
are DOMs. So DOM. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Just try to run the code and check the output. Just try to execute.
Okay, sir.
And I asked you to write the code for uncontrolled component, but I can see this is not an uncontrolled component, right? This is the control component.
Actually, sir, we can use the user state. So, user state store the current value and updated value. So, after the comparing the initial value and updated value, so it is handled by the virtual DOM. Yeah, DOM. So that's why we can use it.
But this is not a controlled component. Oh, this is not an uncontrolled component. You have to use refs for uncontrolled component, right? Okay, so leave it. I think this is not working fine. Also, it is not running right.
It's actually I'm passing the event, so it will be working.
So tell me the different hooks name you know and the uses also.
Actually, sir, hooks is basically allow us to using a React features like life cycle method and state. So there are different types of hooks present in. So first one is a state, and second one is a use effect, use contest, and use ref, and use memo, and these are the different types of hooks.
What is the use effect hooks?
Actually, sir, use use effect is allowed to manage the side effect of components like fetching API data and timers and
So you told that fetching the API data, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose that I gave you one API link, you can refer in your chat section.
Okay, sir.
So your task is you have to fetch the data from this API. Uh, refer in your chat section.
Yes, sir.
You have to fetch the data from this API,
Yes, sir.
and the condition is you have to use effect hook, and you have to use async await function, right?
Okay, sir.
So write the React code to fetch the data, fetch the response from this API by using use effect hook and async await function. LT.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I said that you have to use async await function, right? Not to use promises.
Actually, sir, I am using promises.
Sorry,
Actually, sir, I am practicing for promises, so I'm not using
you don't know
async.
async await.
Yes, sir, I know, but actually, I'm not using assignment before days.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I'm using the promises.
Okay.
Continue, sir.
Yeah. are you able to fetch the data?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just tell me. Okay, leave it. Yeah, tell me what is the use of redux? What do you understand by the redux?
Actually, sir, I'm only focusing on React. I'm not learning on Redux.
Okay, do you know about the React routing?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, routing is a
Mhm.
yes, sir, I'm forget.
What is the difference between state and props?
Yes, sir. So a state is basically the plain Java a script object. It tells in a state it tells the information about the component, but a state is a mutable. But in props is just like a parameter passing the data from child component, parent component to child component. It is immutable. So this is the basic difference of a state and props.
What is the lifting state up concept? What do you understand by the lifting state up?
Actually, sir, lifting state we can use the nested component. So
Mhm.
we can pass the state as a props. So we can use the lifting state and nested component.
Passing state as a props means what? Could you please
Actually,
explain
sir,
this thing?
actually, sir, we can pass the data in nested component. So we can use the lifting.
No. What do you understand by the context API?
Context API, which is fetching the data from API,
Mhm.
so we can use the context API.
So could you please repeat?
Contest API, basically it is used the fetching the data from API, so we can use the contest API, and uh, it is always used in function component. It cannot work on class component. So
What is the difference between class component and a functional component?
yes, sir. So before introduction of hooks, if we use the lifecycle method and a state, so we can prepare the class component. But after introduction of hooks, uh, we can use the state and lifecycle method, so we can use the functional component
Mm-hmm.
with the help of hooks. So before introduction of hooks, we cannot uh, use the state and class life cycle method in functional component. So after introduction of those, we can use the life cycle method and state in functional component. Function components.
See your chat section. So
Yes, sir.
you have to give in an array of object. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your task is to print the name of those user which has age is less than 30. So you can check
Okay, sir.
that there is two user which has age is less than 30. First one is Jack and another one is Jill. Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Yes,
have
sir.
to print
Yes, sir.
only these two names.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we can use the map. We can use the filters. So
Yeah, just write the code.
okay, sir.
Why you are checking for 25?
Actually, sir,
I just asked. No, I
we
just
can
asked
create
you
the.
for age is less than 30 only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
What?
is printed.
But this is not a required output, no? I asked you only the user name only. What is this? What you are returning?
This is a maker round. Yes, sir. Hello.
Ah, yes.
It is printed.
Why you are returning x dot name at line number 9?
It's because it gives the object, but after using the map, it gives the array. Sir. So it is
What?
converted to object into array.
So you are using two higher order function. Can we use only the one higher order function? Like if you can use some other function to solve this problem, like only one iteration. You are using two iteration right now,
Yes,
correct?
sir. We can use the arrow function, so we can. It will be return the only one line. So
I am saying that you are using two iteration, one for filter, one for map, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am asking you
So
just using only one iteration.
actually, sir, filter is basically it is returns the object. So object names like name is Jack
What is
and
the return?
Jill.
What is the return type of filter function?
What's it?
What is the return type of filter method?
It is it's depends on the input. If input gives the array, it will return the array, but it gives the input is object, so it will return the objects.
And what we are giving in our case as an input?
Actually, sir, it gives the object, sir.
It is the array of
Yeah,
objects,
sir. Sorry,
right?
sorry. Yeah, array. It gives the array. Sir. Sorry, sir. Actually, I'm not saying this.
What is the use of key props?
Props, sir.
Key props.
Actually, sir, key props basically we can use the in the map. So map contains key and value both. So after using in React key props, so key props is basically index of the array, sir.
What is the use of key props? I am asking. What is the use? Hello.
Hello, sir. Actually, sir,
Yeah.
I am forget.
What is the use of React dot pure component?
React, sir.
Pure
Actually, sir,
component.
pure components. So pure component basically it is compare the current value and previous value. It current value and previous value will be same. Returns the true value, but current value and previous value it not same. So it returns to be the false. So it is a pure component.
What is the use of pure component?
Actually, sir, use of pure component we can updating the data. So we can use the pure components like user state. So previous value, current value changing
So
in.
pure component is used for only the class component, right? For
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
functional components, it's
Eh,
a different concept, right? But
Yes, sir.
how you can mix the functional component with class component? You said that use state.
So user state. So we cannot merge the class component. So yes, sir. Pure component only work for the class component.
Right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose that in this code, if I want to convert this array, the array of the name of user, as you can see in output format, okay, to the string, right? Like it should be the string Jack Jill. This is the string you can see in the chat section. How will you convert this array into the string? This is the comma separated. I don't want this comma separated, right?
Okay.
Do you not know about the join method?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of join method?
Basically, it is one method we can add the two elements, so we can use this one method.
Mhm.
So do join.
Can you use join here like result dot join, and you can pass a space as an argument.
So
Result
result
dot
dot.
join and pass space as an argument as a string. Result dot join only. Pass space as an argument. Why you are writing to string?
What's up?
Pass pass space as an argument. Double quotes. That's it. Just try to run. Is this a required output right
No,
now?
sir.
It's a string, yeah. Just check the
Yeah,
type
yeah,
of
yeah.
results.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, two commas not
Just check type of result. How can you check the
yes,
type of result?
yes, sir. Result one dot zero.
Why you are writing to type of? Is there
Yes,
type
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
keyword in JavaScript?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
So just write type of before the result. This is not a method, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. Actually, I'm confusing. So,
What is the issue? O is capital.
who is capital, sir?
No. This is the console.log or some. This is the not a issue of what a request after argument list. What you are doing here?
Yes, sir. Actually, not. Actually, I'm saying.
O is small, na. O is small.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Just try to execute right now.
Yes,
You
sir.
get the
Yes, sir.
output string. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So okay, I will update your feedback, Shifujan, after some time. Okay. So thanks for your time. Bye.
Thank you, sir.